My bad, sorry, I pushed play and it's recording. So it's Rob, the Pinterest course. I just completed the adding rich pins video, and it's long, it's 30 minutes. So I've titled this one Rich Pins Short Version, and I'm going to just run through it for a shortcut version. Here's what you got to do. You go to your website, you go to plugins, you click add new, you then search for these two, WPSSO, schema breadcrumbs markup, and the straight up the core. Sorry, core 1, 2, 3 I've added. Start with the core, add the other two. Okay, when you've done that, you then go down to your settings down the side here, wherever they've appeared here, and that will give you everything you must go through, all of these one by one by one. So right down to your short code guide, your markup. So if you look at, if I click on this, it asked me which markups I want on what types, where the props come up, which types I want it to be. I chose article because Pinterest told me to do that. Who I can integrate with, literally all of these things. Interesting, good move that. So all of this will help, but my comment after literally only 2 minutes is test it. So go through all of these, do all the settings, fiddle with it, check with it. If you don't know, leave it as it was. If you do know, like let's say your social pages, then you add the names in there that you wanted to do. So I've only added Pinterest and Twitter. I could go and add YouTube and Tumblr and MySpace. Wow. sorry. Instagram too. But if I'm correct, you have to go to do more things, and I don't care enough for all of that. That's it. So pretty much shortcut version, because I'm going to leave you to go off and do it on the own. The 30-minute video, the other one, you see me installing it and getting lost and going back and checking things and checking images and all sorts of things. And before I go, by the way, because I've done some changes since then, let me just show you something, or let's look at something. Because in the longer version, I went into my posts. It picks up categories, tags, schema. So this has still stayed the same. And the images are still only showing up on 1 or 2, which I have to resolve why these ones are picking up an image and these ones and the others aren't. Incidentally, do as I say, don't do as I do. Make sure you put in all of these correctly. It's all in the training on the core page. So on the dashboard of all the other training. Cool, I'm out of here. Next video coming up. Cheers.